Looking for a self-hosted Git platform and stuck between Gitea and Forgejo? Let me help you decide. Today we are comparing two lightweight alternatives to GitHub that you can run on your own server. Both Gitea and Forgejo let you host Git repositories, manage code, collaboration, and handle issues and pull requests. They work well for small teams or personal projects. Gitea is the original project that started this line of tools. It offers a clean interface, low resource usage, and easy setup. Many people run it on small servers or even Raspberry Pi devices. It provides core Git hosting features without heavy requirements. Forjo emerged as a community driven fork focused on remaining open and independent. It carries the same lightweight philosophy but emphasizes community governance and long term sustainability. The developers commit to keeping it free from corporate control. The main difference comes down to governance and philosophy. Gitea operates under a more traditional project structure, while Forgijo prioritizes community ownership and democratic decision making. Both share similar core code and features. For features, both offer repository hosting, issue tracking, and wiki pages. Gitea sometimes gets new features first due to its larger contributor base. Forge focuses on stability and community needs over rapid feature additions. Both support CI integration through external tools. Pricing is free since both are open source. You pay only for your server cost, whether you use Gitea or Forjo. So, which one fits you? If you want the most active development and widest adoption, choose Gitea. If you care about community governance and independent projects, Forjo aligns better with those values. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you next time.